Oh, he's getting it now.
Hey everyone, welcome to Metal Customs. We're out here in the shop today, and for those of y'all that may have seen the other video, I bought a Vulcan 350-pound welding cart. Well, I wanted two, so why is there I bought two? So I bought the other one, which is a Chicago Electric 100-pound welding cart. A little bit smaller design for my little TIG welder and for my plasma cutter. I think this thing will work out perfect. Let me show you the box and check it out. Then we'll get everything together. I've already got it unboxed. You can see what all comes with it. But here's what it is. And that is allegedly what it'll look like when it's assembled. I've unboxed it, and here's all the metal plates, instructions. Got some wheels. They're not SS Kragers, but they don't look too bad. Chains and all the hardware. Hopefully this one won't be too bad to put together, but we're fixing to see. Well, let's see if we can mumble through this. First things first, we have the bottom. This will be the bottom of the cart. It says, go ahead and put the wheels on it. Wheels go here, I assume. There's a wheel. Here's a wheel. There it is. And you gotta have an axle for a wheel. So basically, guys, this quote axle just slides through there. And you notice that the wheels are fatter on one side than the other. Put this side towards the cart itself. Alright. Then all that holds them on is a round flat washer and a cotter pin. You'll see the hole right back here. Easy peasy on that. Hopefully the rest is just easy to put together. I sort of doubt it, but we can always hope, right? Alright. That's high performance. Then using the 4 bolts, we put the casters on the front. These 4 holes here. Knock everything off. Here's our little casters. And this one, all the bolts, nuts, and washers are the same size. So it's pretty much a no-brainer as far as putting these together. I think everything is, yes, 10 millimeter. That's lovely because I already had one out. Some washers. Alright, and just continue doing this for all 8 of them bolts and nuts. Get the casters on. Then we'll move to the next thing. Alright, got all the wheels on it. What did the instructions say next? Connect the bottom. Note the hole locations in the diagram of the lift support to the bottom shelf. Okay, so attach the side pieces on here. Note. Oh, okay, I see what they're saying. In the picture showing all these bolt holes going upwards. And there is a left and a right. According to this picture, all these bolt holes should be facing the front. So, this goes like so. Get his couple in here. Guys, there's so much slop in these holes. I suggest put it together like I'm doing, just finger tight. Or you're going to have trouble lining up the shelves and everything else that's going in there. Guarantee it. Let's go ahead and do this one the exact same way. Yeah, it's usually advised when you put stuff like this together, get everything together finger tight. Then once you get it together, or good enough together where you're sort of happy with it, then go back and tighten everything. Okay, this one says for me to attach the middle shelf using bolts, washers, and nuts. What is the middle shelf? Okay, the instructions on this, they suck. This can't be the middle shelf. That has to be the top. Showing this as the top. Ah, does not say in the directions, but you have to put this in. Alright, I'm glad I'm doing this, so those of y'all that go by directions, the directions ain't that great. So go ahead and put this in, this stand up here. One here. Of course, one on the other side. And there is one in the center of that too. And I can see why it needs that. Get your hand underneath here and do some guesswork. We can do it. Alright, finger tight on all of them. Now, assume this is the center shelf. According to the picture, top shelf has this lip on it. So, this is going to go this way. So the bolt holes all lined up. Give us a couple of them ready here. So this shelf just goes up in here. You see by that hole there. And lines up with the hole up here. Now you see why we put it together sort of loosely. Alright, there's just one on this back piece, but there is two on the front. Let me go ahead and get all of them in there. Alright, got them 6 in there, and like I say, everything's still loose, guys, and it really needs to be. Now we got our top, and it goes in here like so. Now there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bolts that hold that top in. So, that's a good bit of bolts. Like I say, top sits right up in there. You can see the holes here in the back. And you can see them here in the front. This is why I say put it together loosely, because as you can see, we're already having to pry and try to make the silly thing fit in here. Alright, let me go ahead and get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bolts in here. Now just go through, tighten up all your bolts. I start from the bottom, which I already went through and tightened them up. I start at the bottom, go around the middle, then the top. Now that is a neat looking little cart. The only thing else we got some brackets here. Alright, let's see, we have 2 brackets here. Now the directions are not that good. Alright. Brackets go right in these 2 holes right here, guys. So says the directions. Huh. We ran out of wire washers. We did. Well, it is what it is, right? And these are to hang your cords, whatever on. Which on this one I'm probably going to put I got another shepherd's hook. And more than likely I'll put it on here. I'm going to try to fit 2 machines on this thing is my goal. We'll see how that works. Alright, and it goes just like that. Let me get that other one on, and then that should have it taken care of. And there we have it. You change for your bottle, which I'll just be running a small bottle of argon on this, so the small one will be just fine. But I mean, for the money, this thing was $49.99, 50 bucks. There again, you couldn't buy the metal and make it for 50 bucks, and the tires and the swivel casters. So yeah, I think that's a good deal. Let me get it over here and get some equipment on it, and we'll see what it looks like all dressed up. And there we have it, guys. I got my plasma cutter on top, because that's the way it fit, and I can get to the gas. And I was going to put it on bottom, but I just didn't like that. Not gas, air, so I can get to the air hose to it. So what I did, I took my little TIG welder, and Adam had a good idea. He said, hey, it'll fit sideways in that second shelf. And yeah, there's a door on that side. There's no vent or nothing, so it'll still be able to vent just fine sitting like that. So yeah, little TIG welder, look, hey, that works, man. I could put it in the bottom, but I like to keep bottom for storage. But guys, for 50 bucks, yeah, you can't beat that little cart. I think it's a good deal, and it's doing what I wanted it to do, hold both of them machines just fine. Well, there we go. Another project taken care of. And like I say, for 50 bucks, I'm happy with the little cart. I actually would have bought 2 of them. The only reason I didn't, it wouldn't hold the big bottle of Argo mix for my MIG welder. Besides that, I like this one because it sits up higher and everything. But yeah, for 50 bucks, yeah, all day long, man, all day long. Well, everyone, I appreciate you watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you would, throw me down some comments. If you're able, hit us up on Patreon and that super thanks. And please, like, share, and subscribe. Again, appreciate it much. Till the next one, we hope that everyone has a fantastic day.